Hello, welcome to Science with Ayazullah. I happened to stroll in a park around 11 o'clock in the morning and I saw an amazing thing. There was a rainbow formed when the sunlight fell on the water droplets. Just look at the video.
Very big, like this is true. Yeah. It's turning in a semicircle way. Very big, like this is true. Yeah. It's turning in a semicircle way.
So friends, let's see why does this happen. Each water droplet is a tiny mirror which reflects the sunlight and even separates the sunlight into many colors. When these colors enter our eye, we can see a rainbow. To see the rainbow, the sunlight should reflect at the correct angle. So friends, to best describe this, let's look at a picture. So friends, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel, Science with Ayazullah. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.